So one of the things is people don't resist change, they resist being changed. When we did that research, it said that about why organisational transformation efforts failed and why culture change fails, is that if people don't buy the problem or the challenge, they're not going to buy the solution. And so often senior leadership take the problem, they suck it up to the top and they go away and they have an away day and they work on the solution. And then they try and communicate the solution. And people don't know what this is an answer to. And people are far more likely to buy into the way forward if they're part of co-creating the solution. What we've got to do is we've got to help teams, first of all, own what's the challenge. And the job of the leader is to lay out, here's the challenge for us, this is where we need to get to. Not to come up with the answer. Not to ask the team what they think the answer is. But to lay out the challenge and get the team to contribute to that challenge. Because if we're not on the same page about the same challenge, we will not get a collective solution.